This WAYTRIM Mini Fridge Stand is a helpful piece of household equipment. It acts like a sturdy pedestal for your small refrigerator. The metal frame feels strong, and the wooden tabletop adds a nice touch. It's not just a stand, because it also gives you extra storage. There are drawers where you can keep snacks and drinks. This helps keep things tidy, and it saves you money by using space wisely. The WAYTRIM Mini Fridge Stand also has wheels. These swivel wheels make it easy to move the fridge around. You can roll it for cleaning or to change the room's layout. 2 of the wheels can lock, so the stand stays put when you need it to. This feature is great for dorm rooms or small apartments. It makes operations like cleaning behind the fridge much simpler. No more struggling to slide a heavy mini fridge. Overall, the WAYTRIM Mini Fridge Stand is a smart buy. It lifts your mini fridge off the floor, which can help with conditions like airflow. Plus, the added storage is a big bonus for keeping your space organized. It's easy to put together, and the mobility is super convenient. If you have a mini fridge and need extra storage, this stand is like a reliable friend, always there to help during mealtime or any time you need a cold drink. Pros: adds storage space, easy to move around, keeps fridge off floor, sturdy metal frame, wooden tabletop, 4 swivel wheels, 2 locking wheels, good for small spaces, organizer for dorms. Can hold other items. Cons: misaligned screws possible, fabric tears easily if humid, not for heavy freezers, wobbly after some use, drawers may fall apart, not for outdoor use, only for mini fridges, assembly might have issues. Features: has storage, for mini fridge, kitchen stand, dorm organizer, metal frame, wood tabletop. 4 swivel wheels, easy mobility, WAYTRIM brand, elevates fridge. This WAYTRIM Mini Fridge Stand is designed to hold a small refrigerator and provide extra storage, making it great for kitchens or dorm rooms. It has a strong metal frame with a wooden top and includes storage drawers to help organize items. The stand also features 4 wheels, so it's easy to move around. Plus, it lifts the fridge up a bit, which can make it easier to reach things inside. This WAYTRIM Mini Fridge Stand is designed to lift your small refrigerator off the floor and provide extra storage, making it great for small spaces like dorm rooms. It has a sturdy metal frame with a wooden top and includes 4 wheels, 2 of which can lock, so it's easy to move around. While it's good for organizing and keeping things off the ground, some users have reported issues like misaligned screws during assembly, fabric drawers that can tear in humidity, and it might become wobbly or have drawers that fall apart over time. Also, it's specifically for mini fridges and not suitable for heavy freezers or outdoor use.